So, ayan, magandang araw, guys. So, now we will be discussing the differences between the molarity and molality. Okay, so a lot of people, okay, so nahihirapang i-distinguish between similarity and similarity. So, before we go to our volumetric method and gravimetric methods, we need to first discuss or kahit man lang may glance tayo ng konti between the two. Okay? So, hindi lang naman, sa expression concentration, hindi lang naman molarity and molality eh. Meron din naman tayong, marami pa tayong pwedeng puntahan. Meron pa tayong normality. We have your osmotic pressure, so on and so forth. Okay? So, dito kasi kay molarity, siya yung, okay, siya yung malaking M. Okay? Siya yung malaking M. While kay molality, siya yung maliit na M. Okay? So, between the two, okay, so, they are both used for measuring the concentration of a solution. Okay? Again, they have similarities pa rin naman. Okay? So, pang-measure ng concentration. So, in molarity, okay, it is the number of moles of solute over the liter of solution. While the molarity, it is the moles of solute over the kilogram of the solvent. As you can see, guys, between the two, okay, in a solution, do sa molarity, solution kasi yun eh. It is a combination of a solute and the solvent. While sa solvent, a solvent itself lang, a water or any organic solvents na pwede. Now, for example, kung makikita nyo dyan, okay, so given a 1 mole of calcium chloride, it is given as 111 grams. So, kung makikita nyo dito sa process 1, kay molarity, timbang ka ng calcium chloride, ilagay mo sa isang volumetric flask, ngayon tunawin mo, lagyan mo ng konting tubig, kahit mga half liter, 300 or 200 ml of water, then i-fill mo up to 1 liter. Unlike dito kay molality, timbang ka ng calcium chloride, then ilagay mo dito, then timpla ka hanggang maka 1 kilogram ka ng water. Ganun lamang po kasimple si molality. So, between the two, okay, similarity kasi, precise na precise yung kanyang measurement. Unlike dito kay molality, it's just a scale. Okay. So now, try natin mag-example. Okay, so calculate the molarity of a solution prepared by dissolving a 9.8 9.8 moles 9.8 moles of solid NaOH or sodium hydroxide and enough water to make 3.62 liter of solution. So, ang ating formula, sinasabi natin kanina is molarity is equals to number moles of solution over moles of solute over liter of solution. So, meron tayong nakikitang moles. Okay? Present si moles, present din si liter. So, divide mo lang. Okay? So, it equals 9.8 moles over 3.62 liter is equals to, compute nyo, 2.7. Now, what is the sign? Malaking M or maliit na M? Big M. That's the final answer. Okay? So, next question. You dissolve oops. You dissolve 152.5, 152.5 grams of copper chloride. Okay. Copper chloride in water to make, sorry for my handwriting, to make a solution with a final volume of 2.25 liter. What is its molarity? So again, our formula, molarity is equals to moles over liter. Now, wala tayong, ang ating mga variables is 152 grams, okay, and 2.25 liter. Okay na to eh, okay na tayo dito. Okay na tayo dito. Moles equals 2.25 liter. Pero, nawawala itong si moles na to. So, anong gagawin natin? Let's find it. Okay? So, in a copper chloride, alam mo na ang iyong, find first the molecular weight of copper chloride. Molecular weight of copper chloride. So, isang copper chloride, dalawang chlorine, pagplasin lang po yan. Okay? So, look for your periodic table. Look for its own molecular mass or mass weight. Okay? So, the molecular weight of the copper chloride is 134.5 grams. Now, let's compute. 152.5 grams times, okay, and every, okay, ayan ay grams per, ito ay grams per mole ha, per 1 mole. Okay, so in every 1 mole, you have 134.5 grams. So always remember guys, ha, laging tatandaan na kung kayo po ay magka-cancel, kailangan may cancellation mangyayari. Kailangan po ay magkasalungat silang dalawa. Okay? Laging pababa. Okay? Laging pababa or laging pataas kapag nagka-cancel. Hindi po pwedeng dito tayo magka-cancel. Okay? Wrong po. Okay? Dito po yung tama. Okay? So, ayan, maka-cancel ngayon si grams kay 154.5 at 134.5. 134 to guys, sorry, 134. Cancel, cancel, ang matitira si mole. Our answer here is 1.134 moles. So, lalagay natin dito 1.134 moles. So, our final answer is 0.504 m. Next question, for the last example po. A solution has a volume of 375 ml and contains 42.5 grams of sodium chloride. What is its molarity? So our formula is molarity is equals to most of the solute over the liter of solution. Meron ba tayo both? Wala. Wala tayo both. Okay? So, unahin muna natin tong si liter kasi madali lang naman yan. Convert mo lang. Okay? You have 375 ml. Okay? Di ba nga, ang sabi ko sa inyo, kailangan yung parehas, kung magka-cancel, yung parehas nasa baba. Okay? Alam mo na sa isang litro ng tubig, meron kang 1,000 ml. Saan mo ilalagay yung 1,000 ml? Sa itaas o sa ibaba? So, ilalagay mo siya sa baba. 1 liter. Para magkaroon ng cancellation. Okay? So, your answer is 0.375 ml. So, 0.375 ml. Now, punta tayo kay moles. Okay? First, look for the molecular weight of the sodium and chloride, then pagplasin po. Try nyo po. So, the molecular weight of the sodium chloride is 58.44 or just simply 58 pero inexact lang to. Grams per mole. So, since meron na tayo niyan, solve na natin to. 12.5 grams times 58.44 grams per 1 mole is equals to 0.727. So, dito, okay, ang atin ay 0.727 moles. So, your final answer is, your final answer is, what? Pakisolve po. 0.727 divided by 0.375 is equals to 1.134 94 molar. So, ayan po ang mga example for the molarity. Now, we will go to your molality. So, dito naman guys, is moles of solute, okay, divided by the kilogram of the solvent. So, ayun naman po yung sa molal. Okay? So, let me write the question first. Okay? Calculate the molality of a solution prepared from 29.1 grams of toluene. Ang kanyang chemical name is C7 or chemical formula is C7H8 dissolved in 832 grams of benzene. C6H6. Sir, ano po ang gagamitin namin for the solute? Okay? Benzene po ba? Or toluene? Okay? Kita nyo naman dyan, dissolved in. Okay? So, meaning, yung benzene, yun yung solvent nyo. While the toluene, yun yung inyong solute. So, ang gagamitin natin is si toluene. Okay? Si toluene, guys, is meron siyang molecular weight na 92 grams per mole. Molecular weight, wait lang. Sulat muna natin ang formula ng ating molal. So, the molecular weight of toluene is equals to 92 grams per mole. Ngayon, okay, let's compute na for moles. 92 grams. Oops, mali. Ay. Okay, so 29.1 grams times 92 grams per 1 mole. Ang magiging sagot is 0.316 mole. Then, since kilogram ang ating nahanap, convert mo to into kilogram. So, ang magiging sagot dyan is 0.832 grams. Ngayon, divide mo lang yan, 0.832 grams. And the answer will be 0.380 molal. That's the final answer. Ito guys ito lang yan ha. Huwag malilito. Yan lang din yan. Next question po tayo. (128 grams of potassium bromide is dissolved in 925 grams of water. What is the molality of the potassium bromide solution? So, kita nyo naman guys, you have your 128 grams, okay, and 925 grams. Okay? So, the the molecular weight of your potassium bromide is 119 grams per mole. Now, let's identify the moles of the solute. Okay? So, 128 grams times the 119 grams over 1 mole. So, 128 grams divided by 119 is equals to 1.07 moles. So, meron ka na dito. Okay? Now, next naman tayo is 925 grams yan. Ang kailangan naman natin is, ano nga ang formula natin? Moles over kilogram. So, gawin mo lang yung kilogram. Okay? So, 925 times 1,000, 1,925 ml, 1,000 ml, 1 liter. Ay, mali. Ito ay, sorry, ito ay sa sa molarity. My fault. Okay? It's just the same lang naman. Mali lang ng units. Okay? So, 925 grams, okay, times the 1,000 grams in 1 kilogram is equals to 0.925. So, pwede na tayong mag-start kasi we have the two representatives. So, 1.07 moles over 0.925 kilogram is equals to 1.16 molar. That's the final answer. Now, for the last question ng molality, okay, check natin. 15 grams of H2SO4 is dissolved in 575 ml of water at 80 degrees Celsius. The density of water at 80 degrees Celsius is 0.997 grams per ml. What is the molality of the sulfuric acid? So, ano nga ulit ang formula natin? Lowercase letter m, is equals to moles of the solute divided by kilogram of the solvent. So first, discuss muna natin yung moles natin. Okay? So, 15 grams times the 1 mole of H2SO4 is equals to 98.079. It was equals to 0.153 mole. Now, punta naman tayo kay kilogram of the solvent. Wala kang kilogram na nakikita dyan. 575 ml lamang po. Okay? So, ang gagawin natin, 575 ml, merong binigay sa yung density. So, use it. Okay? So, in every 1 ml, meron kang 0.997 grams. Okay? So, ang magiging sagot is what? Ano po ang magiging sagot natin? So, the answer, okay, is 573.28 grams. Okay? Pwede na ba tayo magpatuloy? No. 573.28 grams times 1,000 grams into 1 kilogram is equals to 0.573 kilogram. So, okay na. Pwede na tayong compute. Kasi meron na tayong most of the solute and mass of the solvent. Okay? So, ang mangyayari, is ang moles is 0.153 moles over 0.573 kilogram. Please compute. Zero point 27 molal. 2 decimal places lamang po palagi ang final answer. Nagets po ba, guys? So, I guess, yan po muna yung ating example for the molality and the molarity. Okay? So, thank you. Thank you so much for listening and I hope to see you all. So, thank you po. Maraming salamat po.